Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the hardware and app. Charge both earbuds above 50%, open the Boult app, and pair the earbuds with your device. Once paired, navigate to the device card in the app and tap settings. This is where gaming mode lives. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth codec is set to aptX/low latency if available, because gaming mode reduces latency but benefits from a low latency codec. Now that the app recognizes the earbuds, proceed to enable performance options in-app. You now enable gaming mode inside the Boult app. Tap the earbud settings, locate gaming mode, and toggle it on. If the app asks you to choose a profile, pick the low latency or pro gaming preset, aim for a 40 to 60 millisecond target when shown. Once selected, follow any firmware update prompts. Updates often carry latency improvements. Make sure you confirm and restart the earbuds through the app so settings are applied. This step reduces audio lag for fast-paced games and tight sync. You finish by testing in-app and in-game. Launch a game with clear audio cues and a short voice call to check mic and sync. If you still notice lag, repair the earbuds, switch Bluetooth codecs in your device settings, or toggle gaming mode off and on. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the earbuds. Remember, this erases saved profiles. As a quick tip, avoid Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz interference and keep distance from other Bluetooth devices to preserve low latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.